Hi everyone, it's Emilia here. Welcome to my new video. Today I will be creating an exploding box with beautiful 3D basket full of flowers in the center of it. I'm using the products which were in the Lemoncraft Mystery scrapbooking box. This is the kit from last month and I just love it. As you can see, I have the selections of the products from it, and I will use few products from my stash. If you never heard about the Lemoncraft Mystery Scrapbooking box, please check my channel. I have videos showing the content of the previous boxes and also just saying few words about it. So today I am creating an exploding box. I have a selection of papers which were in the last mystery box, and here it is beautiful Sweet Secrets collection. I really like the pink and brown together, so I think the box will be very pretty. I'm starting with exploding box base. It is a press, cut and cut to size base, so it's easy to use. By the way, if you would like to see how to make your own exploding box base, please check my other video. I will link it on the top for you. A lot of people were asking me about the video tutorial for the exploding box, and I finally did it for you. The box measures 10 by 10 by 10 centimeters. All the papers which I cut to cover the base are 3 millimeters smaller than the box base. I will put the measurements on the screen for you. Before I will attach the first layer, I'm just going to ink the edges slightly. This is a really nice brown paper, but I want it to look more vintagey. Then I'm going to adhere all the papers to the base using glue. The brown papers are going to be outside the box, and inside I have also brown but wooden pattern paper. Before I will stick the paper to the inside of the box, I'm just going to use a tracing wheel and decorate the edges of my inserts. You can use the ruler to have straight lines while using the tracing wheel. I'm just going to do not symmetrical, fancy lines. Then I'm also attaching the paper to the lid. It is easier for me to do it when the lid is not assembled yet. It's just easier to press the paper down and then I will assemble the lid. It has 4 little side flaps which I'm adding a little bit of glue to them, and it's very easy to assemble. As you can see, the lid fit perfectly on the base and the box looks really nice already. Now it's time to build that 3D basket and then decorate the inside of the box. To embellish my project, a part of the products which were in Lemoncraft Mystery Scrapbooking box, I have few things from my stash. I have some die cuts and I used Lady E Design cutting dies to die cut all the leaves and branches. I also created tiny Foamiran flowers in bright pink color using Lady E Design dies. And then I have a string, tiny pieces of laces, some die cut doilies. You can use to decorate your box any little embellishments, anything you will find in your stash. I always look for interesting elements with different texture, so this little composition can be layered and very nice. I will leave you with some music. You can see how I decorated each side of the box and the center, and then the last I will be decorating the lid. You can of course skip some of it as well, and I will talk to you at the end of the video. To finish off my box, I'm going to add white splats of paint. Of course, you can skip that if you don't want any paint splats on your project, but I like to do it. And then I'm just going to add few very little sayings. These are cut out of the latest Lemoncraft collection. And this will be it for today. I am so pleased with that project. I love to make exploding boxes, and I hope you will like it too. If you have Lemoncraft mystery box, I'm hoping I will inspire you to create something similar. Please let me know if you are using my tutorials by tagging me on social media, Emilia Sieradzan. I will be very happy to see what you have created. I also encourage you to visit Lemoncraft Facebook page and Instagram. You will find absolutely beautiful projects there. This is it for today. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate all your comments. Take care everyone. Have a lovely creative day. Bye bye!